The fear of doing nothing, why rest feels like a sin for engineering students. Have you ever tried to rest, but instead of feeling relaxed, you felt guilty? Like, kahit wala ka namang ginagawa, parang may kasalanan ka. As engineering students, many of us grow up believing that if we're not studying, practicing, solving problems, or being productive, we're falling behind. When I spoke with other engineering students, many shared similar experiences, feeling guilty when taking breaks, studying even when exhausted, and feeling pressured to keep going just to keep up, and fear of disappointing others or themselves. These experiences aren't isolated. They reflect a bigger problem in academic culture, especially in demanding fields like engineering. Research helps explain why this happens. According to Chong et al. 2025, student burnout is a chronic response to prolonged stress, especially academic stress. For students, this includes heavy workloads, constant pressure to perform, lack of proper rest, and fear of failure. Over time, this stress can reduce confidence and disengagement from learning. Burnout doesn't suddenly appear. It slowly builds when rest is ignored and stress becomes normal. Many engineering students live in this cycle. We push ourselves even when we're tired. We keep study all night, skip breaks, and feel guilty for resting. Yet, still feel like we're not doing enough. In short, this mindset makes learning harder, not better. Research on rest breaks and learning shows that when students focus on long periods, their attention becomes depleted. Rest breaks helps restore cognitive functioning, making it easier to concentrate, understand concepts, and retain information. In short, the brain needs rest to work well. So, when students say they study for hours but forget everything during exams, that's not laziness, that's cognitive overload. Rest is not the opposite of productivity. Rest supports productivity. But many of us never thought that. We were taught that success requires non-stop efforts, that if we slow down, we're weak, that rest is something we earn only after we suffer enough. That mindset is harmful. Burnout doesn't mean you're not strong. It means you've been strong for too long without rest. Engineering students don't need more pressure. We need healthier habits and kinder expectation and permission to pause. We need to normalize rest as part of learning, not a sign of failure. So, if you're an engineering student who feels guilty for doing nothing, remember this. Resting doesn't mean you're giving up. It means you're taking care of the mind that carries all your dreams. Choose to rest without guilt. Be kinder to yourself. Because real success is not about never stopping. It's about knowing when to stop so you can keep going.